Hello everyone, my name is Alankrit and in today's video we will learn some of the basic functions in Excel like proper function, trim function, proper and trim functions together, upper function and lower function. So I have listed down 10 teams which are going to play IPL in 2023. So with the help of these teams we will try to learn all these functions. So let's get started. In order to use proper function, what I can do is I can hit equal to, write proper, hit tab and select the first name which is Chennai Super Kings. So after selecting this, close the bracket and hit enter. So over here we can see that the first letter in the word Chennai is capital, C is capital, similarly S is capital in Super and K is capital in Kings. Similarly, we can perform this task for Kolkata Knight Riders as well. Now, in these two names, we can see some of the inappropriate spaces. So, how to eliminate these spaces? We can use trim functions for that. Select the cell B3 and hit enter. Similarly, let's do that for Kolkata Knight Riders as well. Select the cell B4 after using trim and hit enter. Now, Excel has done the job with proper function and trim function, but we consume more time in order to get the proper result by using these functions separately. In order to avoid any wastage of time, what we can do is we can use these functions combinedly. So how to do that? Let's see. Hit equal to, write proper, hit tab. Don't select any text first, just select the trim function first, write trim, hit the tab and use the first cell like A3. Hit tab after closing the bracket and we can see the result over here. By use of proper and trim function together we can save our time and we can get the proper result as well. Let's do that for Kolkata Knight Riders as well. So I will write proper. Let's select the cell. Sorry. Let's write the trim first. Hit tab and let's select the text. So over here we can see that we got the desired result. Sometimes what happens we want to write everything in capital letters only. So for that we can use upper function. Sorry, hit tab, select the cell. Just a second, guys. Hit tab, select the cell, close the bracket, and we can see the desired result. Similarly, we can do that for lowercase as well. Select the cell, hit enter. So I have just hit Control D in order to get these two names. For all the remaining cells, what we can do is we can just copy, first select the blank cells and hit Control V. So if we want to check for Mumbai Indians, we can see we have got the appropriate result. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.